Hey guys, welcome to Technicals of Crypto. Let's look into what BTC is doing right now. Today will not be a quick update, rather it would be a more informative video. Okay, so coming to BTC, I have the 4-hour chart open, and as you can see after the drop it corrected, and I mentioned in my previous videos that this resistance zone would be a good exit point, and it was a good exit point. If you did not, then you would have uh, occurred some losses. And if you are still in loss over here, so and you're thinking of selling, please don't sell over this point, because we might see a reversal again to this level, um, but we'll have to wait and watch for the reversal, if the reversal happens. But this is not the point to sell right now. Please hold is what I would advise at these current levels. Okay, so let's go to the weekly chart of BTC and see what is happening in BTC at the weekly chart. Okay, so as we can see in the weekly chart, what I was able to see in weekly chart is I could see a double top formation in the weekly chart. Like double top in simple language, we can see an M. Okay, so we can go like this, this, and this. Okay, so here we can see a formation of double top pattern, which is a very bearish pattern. And if implemented, if it is true, then BTC and all the crypto market will be in trouble, and we get a confirmation that BTC and the crypto market is in bearish mode for the next 2 to 3 years. So what would be the confirmation point? I believe this level of 30,000, actually this zone of 30,000 to near about 28 to 30,000. This zone of $2,000 would be a key level. If market falls like this somewhere around March and then breaks this key level, then yes, we will shortly test this 200 moving average in the weekly chart. And these things will be late, near about, this is not like, oh, bear market has started and we start selling off everything. This will be late, like we might see somewhere around here, like June, July, maybe August, somewhere around August, because we might get a healthy correction. If we try to touch to the 30,000, it is acting as a huge supply zone, sorry, huge demand zone, this 28,000 to 30,000 zone, which will eventually give us correction of drop, maybe of $5,000 to $10,000. Come here, people buy over here and then go a bit up, like near about this demand, the supply zone of 40,000, and then again come back and test this moving average over here, like it has done previously, maybe in the December, in the last quarter of 2022. We can see BTC near about this green line, 200 MA weekly chart. So this is what I feel from the charts. Also MACD, we can see the very first video I made in this channel, I talked about MACD, how it can affect BTC. So yes, this is a pretty much good confirmation that we are getting, that we might be in the bear market for good. So You can see whenever this starts, we are in, like, the last time bear market started January 18, and it was there till near about a year. So this is what will happen if the double top pattern goes live. So we'll have to work on our trades accordingly if this happens. And this MACD indicator will surely make us, if this comes true, then we are surely testing 20,000 in the long run. Yeah, don't panic that we are in the bear market. In the long run, like near about the last quarter of 2022, we might see BTC testing 200 MA. So that is what I feel about BTC. And what is about RSI? Yeah, as last time when I made a video of weekly RSI, the RSI was near about here. People were saying that this point over here will act as a bounce point and all, but I thought this bit it will try to connect to this trend line, and this is what I think is happening. It is trying to test this trend line again, this triangle which is forming in the weekly chart, and we could see BTC fall more because this weekly chart does seem to come and test this trend line, this triangle over here. We might get a bounce back from here, like going to here, and if the double top pattern gets live for good, then coming back, getting rejection, breaking this, and then maybe falling to the oversold levels and testing the 200 MA on weekly chart. So this is what could happen. And if we are not in the bear market, then come here, then this RSI will come here, test the trend line, and get a healthy correction, break this triangle, come retest, and boom, then we can see BTC to the levels of 90k, maybe to 100k, 120k also. But currently scenarios are very bullish, so just hang on, keep your stop losses tight. Yeah, so let's quickly talk about Luna. Luna was booming recently, but since the past, I think 9th December, yeah, from there it has been into a downtrend, and after touching, or we can say retesting the 200 MA on the 4-hour chart, it is trying to get a good bounce. Okay, so we can see over here it made a high, then a lower high, then a lower high, then a lower high, and then now this movement over here. If this gets a reversal, then yeah, for this current 4-hour chart, we can say we are bearish. But in MACD, I am hoping reversal for Luna. So we'll have to wait. What will be the buying for Luna in this? If we get a rejection from here, then it might try to retest this 200 MA again. But according to MACD, what I'm seeing is it will try to break this small resistance over here near about $60, go a bit up, then come again, retest it $60, and then try to break this two zones, and then aim for 85. So that is the course which could happen. If we try to see the daily chart of Luna, we can see it has been in uptrend, higher high than previous, then a high than previous, then a high than previous. But over here we can see we have a lower high. So what would be the key level For Luna in the long run, I believe this 38 $39 zone will be the key level for Luna. If it should get, if it comes over it should get a healthy bounce, and if it breaks, then um, you will surely have to watch your stop losses strictly. So yeah, that was the update for Luna and BTC. The overall summary of the video is keep your stop losses tight, and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.